Use the information provided to write the standard form equation of an ellipse where I have two vertices and two foci. This is what I notice. In my vertices, the y values don't change, which means I have a horizontal major axis which has an equation that looks like this. These are the ones that are wider than they are taller. Okay, so I'm going to write that out. Y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. My center is HK. I don't have a center here, so I can't really start with that. So let's go to vertices. Vertices are given to us by H plus or minus A and K. So that at least gives me a K of 9. Okay. Do I have an A? No. But this is what I also know. Foci are given by the equation H plus or minus C K. So if my foci here are going to be 5 plus stuff and 5 minus stuff, well then that 5 is going to be my H. Also, plus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7 tells me that C is 2 root 7. With that information, if my vertices were given to me by H plus or minus A, then since this has a difference of 16 between each other, that tells me that A is 8. Okay, so then that's because my horizontal major axis is going to be 16, and your half of that is going to be divided by 2. And so that right here tells me that A is 8. Now, do I have all the information that I need? I do not, because I don't know what B is yet. I have A, I have C. Well, what we do know is I can find B, and it's not too bad. So C squared equals A squared minus B squared. C is 2 root 7, so 2 root 7 squared equals A, which is 8, so 8 squared minus B squared, which is, I don't know. 2 root 7 times 2 root 7 is going to be 4 times regular 7, which is 28. This becomes 64. That equals B minus B squared. Move that up here. Subtract 64 from both sides, and that gives us negative 36 is going to equal to negative B squared. Make them both positive. 36 equals B squared implies that if I square root everything, B is 6. So now I have everything that I need to plug this in here and make myself happy. So just to save some space, do I have any negatives that I have to deal with? No. So x minus h is going to be x minus 5 squared over a squared, which is going to be 64, plus y minus k is 9 squared over b squared, which is going to be 36, equals 1. And that is my ellipse, total ellipse of the heart. It's a song. It's great. I believe that's a journey, but I could be wrong.